Hi everyone. Since I got this machine in my shop, most of what I've been doing is degreasing and cleaning and scrubbing, and more degreasing and more scrubbing and more cleaning, and yeah. So yeah, I've been doing time lapses of this all through the process, and I thought, you know, this video is not going to have much information value. It's more it's just to tell the whole story, really. I've suffered through it, so I thought I'd make you suffer through it too. The plan is to paint all of the casting. You know, I want my machine to look good and to last many more years. So yeah, I decided to paint it, and of course it was very, very greasy, and so, you know, it's all preps for the paint. I'm going to be using 2-part epoxy paint. This is what's been suggested pretty much. So I already have the paint. I'm actually done cleaning all the parts that I want to paint. I've been cleaning many weekends, and yeah, I'm very glad I'm done, because it's been a lot of cleaning. Did I say I'm tired cleaning? Anyway, so yeah, all that's left to do is pretty much masking all the parts where I don't want paint. So I guess there will be 2 more relatively boring videos coming up. The next one will probably be me masking, and the one after will hopefully be painting. I just can't wait to start putting that machine back together. Anyway, so there's about 2 minutes left of time lapse like that, so I'll let you suffer through it, and hopefully you won't unsubscribe and be there for the next videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.